the horn.
Ready?
Yes. I remember I rode a Highlander when I was doing taxi and Uber.
Oh yeah.
Me and my mom were taxi passengers while the taxi driver picked us up in a Toyota Highlander.
Yeah.
It was a 2019 model.
Oh nice. This is a 2019 too.
Yeah. You know, all the Highlanders have Uber and taxi.
Yeah, a lot of the Uber and taxi drivers like Toyota.
Yeah, but I know. My friend Cedric is a Toyota fan.
Yeah.
Right, Melissa?
You let him know that we took a Highlander?
Yeah. It's gonna be on. Wow, that was a nice drive then up the
cool,
Highlander
right?
with the horn, right? It is cool. Oh, there's the old Mitsubishi Outlander.
Yeah.
You remembered it, right? A long time. Since May 2022.
Is it raining?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. Hey, you guys bought the Urus over?
Yeah, just
You got?
you can give me a ride back.
Yeah, I gotta see what cars we're gonna
Okay,
take
I'll
back.
wait for
You got it.
Thanks for riding
Oh,
for the
you're welcome.
2019 Toyota Highlander.